Hello. Astronomy picture of the day, July 15, 2020. Today's video is about Comet NEOWISE over the Swiss Alps. Comet NEOWISE has been wowing photographers around much of the world during dawn and dusk, at the margins of day and night. For the most northern residents of planet Earth, however, the comet circles the North Star and never sets. The night part of the circular arc is apparent in the featured composite of images assembled from a webcam located at a ski resort in the Swiss Alps. Images were selected at 30-minute intervals throughout the night from July 12-13 th. Comet NEOWISE, C/2020 F3, will continue to become more accessible to Northern Hemisphere observers as its motion places it higher in the sky each evening after sunset over the next few weeks, as it begins its outbound journey. As with all comets, departure from the inner solar system comes with inevitable fading. Binoculars are the best way to find and observe the comet visually. Notable images of Comet NEOWISE submitted to APOD: vertical bar July 14th, vertical bar July 13th, vertical bar July 12th, vertical bar July 11th, vertical bar July 10th, and earlier vertical bar. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and share.